Well, it's right now that is being done by the PNP, and so we're waiting for their findings. But you know, all of the testimony that was given yesterday really will be taken in and will be assessed to see what in legal terms what is the real meaning and consequence of some of the statements made by PRRD. Now that will result in a case being filed here in the Philippines. We will just have to see. The DOJ will have to make that assessment.
Have you made instructions to the DOJ or to the PNP?
I'm sorry?
Have you made express instructions to the DOJ or to the PNP to conduct these investigations?
Well, we are always monitoring all of these things because the question on EJK has not yet been answered. Who is responsible? And we had some of the mothers of some of the victims that were there, and up to now they have not seen the justice for the murders of their children. And that's still, so that is the DOJ's responsibility to continue to examine all bits of comments, of statements, of testimony, and eventually of evidence to see that what justifies a case to be filed.